Thanks for watching, guys. Lana si no question 5 in trigonometry. We are answering our questions lagu 5.1 using a diagram. We are simplifying, then cinema triangles in 2 dimensions. Check out the description box for more content any recorded for this question paper. If there is no link for a specific question, just know that tukutangi uploadanga yet. There's also a link to another YouTube channel created for our lessons as well. Check it out. I'd appreciate it. Now we are subscriber to the other one as well. So now aspect 5.1. But given that sine theta is equal to 4 over 5 and tan theta is less than 0, determine with the aid of a diagram and without the use of a calculator this and this. So lana 5.1 5.1.1 this one sizoqala ngokudraw a diagram, prepare a diagram iqala. So sizothi alright, y-axis, x-axis, then sina this thing called a cast rule, C A T, meaning that the cos positive, everything is positive, then sine la. Okay, alright. I sakhona ukubhala sine ngoba lo s imsondeze kakhulu to the axis as well as the t, so tan positive. These are positives la. All are positive. Cos is positive, right? So sifuna where usine a positive khona. Yabona ngisho sine theta is equal to 4 over 5 and the 4 over 5 unjani positive. Ikuphi la usine a positive khona? Out of all the quadrants, it's this one. And utan theta kwamele abe less than 0. Ikuphi lapho? It's definitely quadrant number 1, number 2. Yes, it's definitely quadrant number 2. So lana again, I have usine theta which is equal to 4 over 5, and according to ilogaj plane, this Cartesian plane, ulogaj usine theta is always okay. I think it according to SOHCAHTOA, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So the opposite is always y over the opposite is always y, the hypotenuse is always r, the radius, right? So it means that lana we have ilogaj, we have an arm in the second quadrant because of usine positive as well as utan unjani negative. Then sino angle theta ngapha, we have the angle theta ngala. Therefore that's why ngithi the opposite is always y. This is y, the opposite. R nang, y nang, x nang. So y, its opposite. This is our angle of reference. It's opposite over hypotenuse. Yes, it's 90 degrees. So this is the arm. Let's base last sibanama coordinates ka x and y. But fortunately for us, we have ubani ivalue ka y. Ivalue ka y ubani la. We have ivalue ka y. The y 4. I don't have ux. R I do have ubani u5 y 4. Now ngifuna ivalue ka bani ka x. I have to find the value ka x. Why do I say that? Ngoba utan theta, the value about to calculate la, tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent, which is x. Opposite over adjacent, ngifuna y, ngifuna nobani no x. So lana I will apply Pythagoras theorem to calculate to x. since this is a right angle triangle, so we have r squared equal to x squared plus y squared, right? R ubani 5 squared, x ubani unknown, plus y ubani 4, so it's 4 squared. 25 x squared plus 4 squared, that's 16. So transpose u16, 25 minus 16 ngithola ukuthi it's 25 minus 16 which is 9 squared, squaring both sides, like about plus or a minus, so x is equal to plus minus 3, right? But lo x uzoba, the x will be a negative 3. How do I know this? Because of x in the second quadrant unjani negative, so the x will be a negative now, right? So therefore, to answer this one, okay, tan theta uzoba equal to y over x, y ubani 4, yep, 4 over x ubani negative 3. Now answer it, and it's also correct about tan in the second quadrant kwamele benjani abe negative. Now for the second one, okay, for the second one, 5.1.2 sifuna cos theta, cos squared theta, 2 cos squared theta minus 1. This is equal to 2 over cos theta, it's adjacent over hypotenuse, so adjacent to banu x, hypotenuse to r, squared minus 1 equal to 2. What is x? X to negative 3. What is r? R ubani r 5 squared minus 1. Therefore lana ngibano 9, ngibano 9, ngibano 25, it's 9, about 9 over 25 minus 1. What is 2 times 9? That is 18 divided by 25 minus 1. Then in answer A to lie should be, okay, 25 over 25 times 1, it's negative 25 divided by 25 la 18 minus 25, I should get negative 7. Now I answer it again, right? So 5.1 uphelela lana, guys. Let's go to the second part of the question again now. Simplify the following expression without using a calculator. Hey, lama question na wabo la bawathanda man. Sesijwayela ama calculator thina. Or kanjani? Cos theta plus sine squared 60 degrees plus the square root of 2 times sec 45 degrees. 45 degrees. So cos 0 degrees it's 1 ngoba if function ka cos, we know that iqala kubani ku 0 degrees, iqala kubani ku 1, ithi 90, ithi 180, ithi 270, ithi 360, right? Lana ku 0 degrees about 1, so that's why it is 1 la. Plus special angle, so sine 60 degrees, sine 60 degrees square root 3 over 2 squared plus square root 2 times sec, it's the opposite of ubani, of cos. So cos 45 degrees uzoba ubani, uzoba square root 2 over 2, right? Square root 2 over 2, but sec, since we opposite kabani ka cos, I just flip the fraction la. Yoba ubani, yoba 2 square root 2, so it's no 1 plus square root 3 squared 3, 2 square root 2 squared 4 plus lo 2, lo square root 2 you cancel square root 2 sala no 2 la. 2 plus 1 it's 3 plus 3 over 4. Or here's another way of solve my fractions. You just multiply by 4 over 4. Why am I multiplying 4 over 4? So that lo 3 ngim change into a fraction with a denominator of 4. 4 times 3, 12 over 4 plus 3 over 4. By multiplying 4 over 4, finally we think multiplying 1, right? So the aim of multiplying 4 over 4 is to make lo 3 into a fraction with a denominator of 4. So that now figure like step, I'm adding fractions out 2 with the same denominator. I just say 12 plus 3 divided by 4, which is 15 over 4. Now I answer it. Kanjalo ke. Kanjalo. Or if ever wakhohliwa ama special angles, nokuthi cos 0 degrees, nokuthi sec 40 degrees uminani, they are equal to what? You just punch in your calculator, bam, 1, uyabhala. Ubuye uthi sin 60, ubhale. Ubuye uthi cos 45 bese uyabhala, right? But ungakhohlwa ukuyiflipha since it's circular, ne? So cos 0 degrees, sin 0 degrees. Abafuna ukuthi uyishaye yonke ne calculator bese uthola i-answer uvele uyibhale na. That's not acceptable. That's what they mean by without using a calculator. 5.3, last question. In the diagram below, a person is standing at point A, which is 30 meters away from point B. Point A and B are on the same horizontal plane. The angle of elevation of a first story window at point C from point A is 15 degrees. The angle of elevation for the second story window at point D from point A is 21 degrees. Determine the distance between the two windows. Okay. All right. Sifuna in the distance between the two windows, meaning that ngifuna DC la. I want DC. So, all right. 21. All right, back. Nangathola let distance yala BC. Ne? Nangathola BC. Bese ngiyabuya ngithola CB. Ngathola DB. Ngimsubtract no CB. I can get ubani DC, the distance between the two windows. But how do I achieve that? Sizala ku 5.3. The first thing esoyenza sizothi in triangle ADB, the big triangle. Remember? I can use ama trigonometric ratios to calculate DB. Ngoba tan 21 degrees, which is the angle for the big triangle, 21 angle A for this huge triangle. Tan 21 degrees is equal to opposite over adjacent. The opposite side to bani BD. The adjacent side to bani AB, right? AB. I have to use tan trig ratio ngoba I am given the adjacent side, the opposite side is unknown. Remember? It's unknown. So that's why I'm saving tan equal to BD unknown, AB 30 meters, 10, 21 degrees. Then I cross multiply about 30 times tan 21 degrees is equal to BD. Sithola 30 times tan 21 degrees. Sithola 11.52. So BD is 11.52 meters. Then we calculate ubani CD again. So ngithi in triangle ABC. Ngiyabuya ngisebenzisa tan again, but this time in calculate to CB. So tan 15 degrees this time. 15 degrees is equal to opposite over adjacent, BC, opposite adjacent to AB, right? So BC or AB 30 tan 15 degrees divided by 1. BC times 1 equal to 30 tan 15 degrees. Sithola ngayiki ke la 30 times tan 15 degrees is equal to 8.04 meters. Therefore DC is equal to DD. DC is equal to BD minus BC equal to, what is BD? 11,52 minus 8,04 equal to 11,52 minus 8,04. This is our answer again. 3,48 meters. Ngishayeleni izandla. Alright, question 5 uphelela lana guys. I hope we enjoy this video. Ungakhohlwa ukulike, ukushare nokusubscribe. Of course, in the description box uthola ama links for other questions ongaphendulile. So for now I'm signing out, but ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe to the other channel as well for more lessons. Peace.